Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast when you know the secret. We are looking for a guaranteed truth about a continuous function today. First, look at the given conditions where the function is continuous on the interval. We know the value at point A is negative while the value at point B is positive. Since the function must travel from a negative value to a positive value without any breaks, it is mathematically required to cross the x-axis at least once during that specific interval. This is the intermediate value theorem in action. It guarantees that f of x must equal 0 somewhere, making option A the only logical choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given conditions to find the right answer.